Okay, let me show you how you can work with live mirroring in Plasticity, similar to the mirror modifier in Blender. So let's take our cube from the front view. I bring this one to the side and I want to mirror this one to the other side, but like you would mirror it with the mirror modifier in Blender. So you can edit this original one and the mirrored one will be edited as well. So we have to work with instances. I select my original solid, my cube, look for F, create instance, and as soon as I create this instance, it's at the same location like the original solid. I press OK, and I have to bring this instance to the other side of this axis, obviously. That will be my live mirror. And I do this by scaling into the negative. Let's press S for scale. Before scaling into the negative, we have to bring the cursor, the gizmo, to the center. So I press V for changing the pivot. And if I now scale along the x-axis to bring the instance to the other side, the one I'm moving now is the instance. I can only scale until, you see here, 0. Towards 0. But I cannot bring it to the other side. I have to go into the negative in order to bring this guy to the other side. It's not possible with this handle here, but I can simply type here -1. Boom. Now the instance is on the other side. You see the instance is selected. That's the one which we have brought to the other side. I say OK. And if I select my original solid, the original cube, and press S, for example, that works. If I press G for grab, G twice, that works. And if let's look from this perspective, let's press RX for rotating along the x-axis, that works as well. Let's look again from the front view, RY. So you see that it works exactly like the modifier in Blender, the mirror modifier. One side note, we have changed the gizmo of the instance. The moment we changed the pivot of the instance, the pivot of the original solid changes as well. So if I press G, you see that the gizmo is here. That was the adjustment we made for the instance, but it changed for the solid as well. So don't be confused by that and have fun mirroring. Peace!